Hello everyone and welcome to my Housewives of New York vlog. I'm still in a singing mood from last night's RuPaul, obviously. So, holy moly, what an episode. Oh my gosh. Aviva is just crazy. She's absolutely crazy. I think Ramona's blackmailing her or something. I don't know, all of a sudden, how she has switched gears, how she is going after Carol, Heather. Those were her girls. They came on the show together. I don't understand. I'm so confused. Twitter was crazy tonight. It was trending. This episode was absolutely nuts. Carol, got a little bit of a bad rap tonight on Twitter on the episode. When she was leaving Aviva's party, saying to her ex-husband, I know why you divorced her. People, you gotta lighten up a little bit. You know what? She's obviously, it's emotional. She's upset. Her career is her baby. She doesn't have her own physical baby, so this is her baby. So lighten up, because I love McCarroll. Team Carol. Don't mess with McCarroll. And another thing, too, that really happened to me is here's a puss. I kind of morphed into loving Kristen. Seeing Kristen online tonight with her tweets. She's hilarious with her stuff. Talking about Carol's assistant. Maybe could be her ghostwriter for her tweets from now on. Hilarious, Kristen. Hilarious. You've won me over. I'm loving Kristen now. But seeing the Spartan race, first of all, reminds me of just how out of shape I really am. I'm trying to get this camera centered and closer to my face so you don't see how badly out of shape I am. But that Spartan race looked really, really hard. I've seen advertisements for it. You see it on Facebook too when it comes into your town. Crazy. I don't understand why Josh, Kristen's husband, didn't race with her. What? I mean, everyone's going to finish eventually, right? Everyone's going to get their little medal with the ribbon on it. Stay with your spouse. You kind of talked her into doing it. You didn't really tell her how tough the race was. Her. She's probably, going to struggle with it a little bit, which is probably why you didn't tell her. Shame on you. Stay with her, race with her. I would have done that. It's just the gentleman thing to do. My mama raised me to do the gentleman thing, to have manners, to open the door, to race with my partner, my spouse. But overall, good episode. New York is just getting started, and I'm so excited. And I'm so excited to tweet with all of you guys. The tweets were funny, crazy, and hilarious. I absolutely enjoyed myself tonight. And next episode, next week, looks really good. Luann's back, so, oh my gosh, we get to have the Countess and all of her decadence. Can't wait for that. Until then, thanks for watching. Check out Zach's blog on The Real Housewives of New York for all of the details that I have missed, all of the funny pictures he has. He has a funny perspective on it. And don't forget also, too, on our site, we have Eric is reading the Housewife blogs from Bravo. So if you don't have time to read them on Bravo.com, you can go to yourrealityrecaps.com and just put in your earbuds and go about your day and listen to the blogs that Eric reads. They are hilarious. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching with me. Until next week, see you soon. Mwah.